Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need a signed Google account and remote in hand. Once ready, go straight to Settings on your Android TV. Open Accounts to add or confirm the Google account you'll use for controls, because permissions tie to that account. Next, move into Google Play or the System Parental Controls menu to begin. Make sure to enable the master toggle. This starts the protection process. You'll see options for device-wide or app-level controls. Choose device-wide to centralize restrictions and continue to set limits. Once in parental controls, create a secure 4-digit PIN you'll remember but kids won't guess. This prevents changes. Then set age-based content ratings for movies, TV shows, and apps so only appropriate material appears. Make sure to toggle purchase restrictions to require the PIN for installs or in-app buys. You can also block specific apps entirely by selecting them in the list. If you want different rules per user, add separate profiles and apply limits per profile. This keeps content tailored and controlled. Finalize by testing. Try opening a blocked app or restricted movie to confirm the PIN prompt appears. Once verified, lock down settings and sign out any secondary accounts that could bypass controls. Make sure only your management account can change settings. Keep software updated and periodically review restrictions. If something goes wrong, like controls not applying, reboot the TV, clear Google Play Store cache, and confirm your Google account is synced and has parental controls enabled. If problems persist, re-enter the PIN and reapply limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.